Hi, Alison here from Gardening by Design with a quick video tip, this one on looking at hydrangeas in autumn. It's easy to look on hydrangeas as old-fashioned blobby fillers for a shady corner, but I hope that these pictures from a sunny walk around National Trust Gardener Emmett's in Kent in November encourage you to look again at some of the new varieties and put hydrangeas front and centre in your borders for colour from summer right through until the winter. It's certainly hard not to be impressed by shrubs which are fully hardy, need no support, and produce flowers like these from July right through until these pictures were taken in early November. Or maybe like me you prefer lace cap hydrangeas with both flower shape and colour more delicate. These flower in midsummer, this is an older photograph, and by November the flowers are faded, but then you get this tremendous plum and yellow leaf colour. What's not to like? So if you're looking to have a reshuffle or fill gaps in your borders this autumn, why not give hydrangeas their moment in the sun?
There's more information about how the box of tricks can help you to plan, plant and look after your plot on my Gardening by Design website, where you can also buy topics and sign up for the newsletter. I hope to see you again soon. Happy gardening!